Here we are, just arriving in Dover, just about to put our foot on Blighty itself. Now we've got to find ourselves a boat, and we have to find ourselves a boat quickly.
Quickly.
We're not going to live without a boat.
No.
Two days after we got married, Carla suggested we sell everything, buy a boat and set sail. A year later we did just that. In the Canaries we picked up our naked sailor, Dobby. This is our adventure.
So we are in the train station in Roselay.
Something like that.
Something like that. We're going to Brugge.
We're going to Brugge today on the
yeah.
train.
Yeah.
So we're having a day out as it's Sunday, and it's 3 weeks ago today that we moved off the boat. And it's very sad still. We haven't quite got over it, and we're just looking for the next one, really.
Yeah.
The one we went to see wasn't any good.
No,
it wasn't going to work for us. And we decided that it wasn't big enough. That was one of the key things. Having actually sort of done all the measurements and looked at it, we realised we've got to go bigger than 80 feet.
Yeah.
At least 90. Somewhere around about 90, 95 would be ideal, I think. We need to build in a cinema room and things like that. And a sauna or sauna, whichever one you prefer.
Yeah, we'll see. We have another trip to go and see
in the UK.
Yeah.
So as soon as we're out of quarantine, we're off.
Yeah. But we're going to have to stay 10 days in quarantine because we booked 2 tests. We already had one in France.
Which was free.
Which was free. And we have booked another 2, which cost us 400 and something pounds.
£411.
And if we want to get off the quarantine, we would need another one.
On day 5, which would be another £150 each. Because they're quite expensive.
Yeah, so we're not going for that.
No.
We can't be spending so much money for nothing.
No.
Really.
No, because all of a sudden it's cost you 600 quid in, and we saved £200 or €200 here in Belgium. If we'd had the test in Belgium, it would have cost over €100 each, whereas we had it done in France, it was free.
Yeah, so.
Bruges is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Between 1896 and 1907, a canal was built to connect the town to the North Sea at Brugge, restoring Bruges' status as an ocean port. Bruges is often called the Venice of the North. The city originated on the banks of the River Ria. This is a delightful town with its canals, bridges, lakes and green boulevards.
That's me again pausing the video to give you time to subscribe to our channel. 70% of you guys are watching the videos without subscribing. Please help us to produce these free videos for you. Have you done it? Lovely. Let's continue the show. Thank you, everyone.
It was finally time to leave Europe and drive back to the UK. We headed for the port of Calais for the 1.5-hour ferry crossing to Dover. We will be staying with friends in Folkestone for our 10 days of quarantine.
Peg wants to see the van inside. Simon is very stressed today. I don't know why. He just wants to know who is he.
Yep.
So what's happening now?
We got stopped at customs, and they're gonna, don't know what they're gonna do really. Send a dog round. To have
Yeah,
a smack,
they said because the van is full in, he can search, so he's gonna send a dog to. So it's gonna be interesting to have a dog with Dobby.
Oh.
So it's all done in check. We are waiting now. Lane 10, 20 minutes.
It's ridiculous. Whole thing's bloody ridiculous.
They checked Dobby. Dobby is legally going.
Yep. £12.
Yeah. They had a dog checking us. It's another dog going there.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
This is my second cup of coffee of the day.
I think it's the third, isn't it? Because you cheated. You had 2 in the bedroom.
It's such a long time. Look at this. This is the truck drivers cafe. Totally empty. Mind you, the whole ferry's empty.
Driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city.
So here we are, just coming into Dover Port, and it's all rather depressing really.
It's not
It is.
Simon, it's so
3
difficult.
years, 2 months of being away, and all of a sudden we're back here in
It's your country.
cold, wet, damp
It's your
England
country.
in nearly June. I mean, it's nearly June.
Just think, how many times did you complain about some other countries?
Yeah, I know, but you know, this is
You-
horrendous. Look at it.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Yeah, we only get one life, I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand.
Here we are, just arriving in Dover, just about to put our foot on Blighty itself. Now we've got to find ourselves a boat, and we have to find ourselves a boat quickly. We're not going to live without a boat.
No.
There it is. Right.
So we are in Sandgate?
Sandgate, down by Folkestone in Kent.
Yes.
28 miles from France across the English Channel.
Yes, it's just behind you.
Yeah, just behind us, yes, absolutely. And
Yeah.
we're here in our quarantine, we're not allowed out,
Yeah.
and we're kind of just trying to find things to do, really, aren't we?
Yeah, yeah. It's really hard to be just as locked up all the time, as you probably know.
Yeah.
But yeah, they have been calling us every single day.
Yeah, we even had a visit.
We even had a visit to check on Simon because he missed 3 calls. He didn't, because the signal inside the house is very poor, isn't it?
Yeah, very poor. Yeah.
So he missed some calls, so they came by to check on him. Yeah, so apart from that, it's all the same,
Everything's
really,
good.
is it?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep, everything's good.